Hi student, this video is about integration by substitution for trigonometric function where involve tangent x and secant x. Okay, the two things that you need to know is table of differentiation for tangent and secant, and number 2 is identity. Okay, for table of differentiation, we have y and dy over dx. Okay, dy over dx is used when you want to eliminate a term. For example, if you want to eliminate secant square, we can let u equal to tangent x. Let's u. And then, if you want to eliminate secant x times tangent x, we can let u equal to secant x. So we can eliminate either secant square x or secant x times tangent x. Okay, number 2, when we want to split term, we actually can use identity. 1 plus tangent square x equal to secant square x. Okay, let's see the first example. Okay, integrate secant square x over 3 plus 2 tangent x dx. Okay, for the first problem, okay, this integration involve secant and tangent, but this function is rational function. So we can let u function at denominator. So just let u equal to 3 plus 2 tangent x, and then differentiate both sides. Differentiate left hand side equal to du, differentiate right hand side. We have 2 secant square x dx, or dx equal to du over 2 secant square x. Okay, next step, just substitute equal to integrate secant square x over u time, okay, dx equal to du over 2 secant square x, and then we can cancel out secant square x, and we have constant 1 over 2 integrate 1 over u du. So 1 over u du is actually equal to or same like we integrate 1 over x dx. So u here at denominator is power 1. So u here is a linear. Since denominator we have linear function, so equal to 1 over 2 ln u plus c. If denominator is not linear, it may be quadratic, cubic, and so on. You need to simplify this term. But for this problem, we can simplify, so the solution is equal to ln u. So equal to 1 over 2 ln, okay, u equal to 3 plus 2 tangent x plus c. Okay, next we move to second example. Okay, integrate tangent square y times secant square y dy. Okay, we have a product of tangent and secant. So when we have a product of tangent and secant, we need to choose term to eliminate. So which term we can eliminate is actually based on for table of differentiation on your right hand side. So we can either eliminate secant square or secant x times tangent x. So based on our problem, we have secant square y, so we can eliminate this term. So if we want to eliminate secant y, so we need to let u equal to tangent. So let u equal to tangent y, and then differentiate both sides. Du equal to secant square y times dy, or dy equal to du over secant square y, and then substitute equal to integrate u square time secant square y time dy equal to du over secant square y, and then we can cancel out secant square y equal to integrate u square du, and then integrate u cube over 3 plus c, and lastly substitute u with tangent y. You can write equal to tangent y cube over 3 plus c, or you can write equal to tangent cube y over 3 plus c. Okay, next example. Okay, integrate tangent cube x plus tangent power of 5x time secant square x dx. Okay, now we have a product of tangent and secant. So based on table of differentiation, on your right hand side, we can eliminate either secant square x or secant x times tangent x. And for this problem, we have secant square x, so we can eliminate secant square x. So we can let u equal to tangent x. So let u equal to tangent x, du equal to secant square x dx, or dx equal to du over secant square x. And now just substitute equal to integrate u cube plus u power of 5 time secant square x time dx equal to du over secant square x. So equal to, so now you can cancel out secant square x. So integrate u cube plus u power of 5 du equal to u power of 4 over 4 plus u power of 6 over 6 plus c. And then just substitute u equal to tangent x. So equal to tangent power of 4x over 4 plus tangent power of 6 x over 6 plus c. Okay, next example number 4. Okay, integrate tangent cube x times secant x dx. Okay, for this problem, okay, when we have a tangent times secant, we either can eliminate secant square x or secant x times tangent x. If we want to eliminate secant square x, we need to, okay, let u equal to tangent, and if you want to eliminate secant x tangent x, let u equal to secant. So for this problem, when we check, okay, we don't have secant square x, and then we don't have secant x times tangent x, but we just have secant x. So based on the first term, tangent cube x, actually we can split the term and get secant x times tangent x, this term. So we can split tangent cube x equal to integrate tangent square x times tangent x times secant x dx. So now we have tangent x times secant x, okay, this term. So we can eliminate tangent x times secant x, and we need to let u equal to secant x. But now we have tangent square x. So how to write tangent square x in term of secant, we can use identity. So we have identity 1 plus tangent square x equal to secant square x. So tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1. So equal to integrate. Okay, substitute tangent square equal to secant square x minus 1 times tangent x times secant x dx. So now we can let u equal to secant x, and then du equal to secant x times tangent x dx, or dx equal to du over secant x tangent x. So equal to, okay, substitute u square minus 1 times tangent x times secant x times dx equal to du over secant x tangent x. So now we can cancel out tangent x, secant x. So we have integrate u square minus 1 du. Okay, now we can integrate equal to u cube over 3 minus u plus c, or equal to, we substitute u with secant x. So secant cube x over 3 minus secant x plus secant x plus c. And last example, 5. Okay, integrate e power of negative x secant square 5 minus e power of negative x dx. So now for this problem, we have exponential function time trigo. So for this problem, we can let u an angle. So let's u 5 minus e power of negative x. So we let's u an angle, so we can cancel out. We want to cancel out exponential function, and then differentiate both sides. Left hand side equal to du, right hand side negative e power of negative x times negative 1 dx, or dx equal to du over e power of negative x. And then, okay, substitute, integrate e power of negative x times secant square, okay, angle is u, times dx equal to du over e power of negative x. So now we can cancel out e power of negative x. So equal to integrate secant square u du. So integrate secant square u equal to tangent u, equal to tangent u plus c, or equal to tangent 5 minus e power of negative x plus c. Okay, thank you.